Light. I light a candle every evening to relax. I am lighting the barbecue right now. I have just lit the fire in the hearth. I have been lighting the stove by hand for weeks. I lit the lanterns along the path yesterday. I was lighting the birthday candles when the power came back. I had lit the way with a torch before the guests arrived. I had been lighting incense every morning for months before the trip. I will light the beacon at dusk tomorrow. I will be lighting fireworks at the festival all evening. I will have lit every lamp by nightfall. By June, I will have been lighting this old furnace each winter for a decade.